Tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Portland has issued a tornado warning for Central Pacific County in southwestern Washington until 10:15 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 9:50 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado.
Quiet.
This dangerous storm was located over Nassau, Oregon, 10 miles east of Long Beach, and moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Francis, Nassau, Nevam, Menlo, Sutico, and Nafton. This includes the following highways in Washington. U. South. Highway 101 between mile markers 19 and 33. State Route 4 between mile markers 1 and 9. State between mile markers 4 and 22. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Dog.
Or outdoors. Move to the closest steps and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornado issued until 10:15 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Pacific, Washington. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WXM.
Alright, guys. Several storms still moving on to the shore right now. It's 9:53, October 14th, I think it is. Yeah. Winds are starting to gust pretty hard outside. We've had like almost a dozen tornado warnings on the coast already today. Except Seattle's NDEC is down right now, so they aren't sending anything over their stations. However, WXM62 covers Pacific County, which is covered by Portland, so Portland relays those over WXM62. So, interesting. This is my second tornado warning today, and there's my dog whining. So I will see you guys later if there is any more.